Hello? Hello? No? Hello? No? Well. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy No Good Biscuits, aka Benjamin. How is it going today? So these vlogs are definitely gonna be something else, but thank you again for tuning into the channel. But happy Labor Day. I know this is literally gonna be the beginning of the video, but here we are. We'll definitely comes in clutch with pub subs. Fucking onion. But definitely came in clutch, so yeah, it's busting. Woo! Good morning, how's it going? I stopped at 7-Eleven for water. This isn't water, it's boneless wings. I've never had them at 7-Eleven, so we're gonna give it a shot. Cause I'm hungry. Little bit of spice. I hope it's real chicken, but it's good. It's good. Ow. Alright, so I had something really yummy at 7-Eleven yesterday, as you saw in the video. So I'm gonna go to 2 different locations for 7-Eleven. Because I want to get one for breakfast and I want to have the other one later on with rice, because I think with some rice and butter would be really good. Exactly what I'm gonna do. So wow, it is bright. Woo! Alright, so the first location was a no-go. It's okay! We got another location! Woo! Guess what? I got 2 at 1 location. Let's go, boy. This is my breakfast and then my lunch. But I got it! This is so good. It's so underrated, but it is so good. You definitely need to get the boneless wings at 7-Eleven because these are bussin', bro. Bussin'. Had a little bit of hair in there too. Some extra flavor. Can't believe this is gonna be in the vlog. This is weird. Getting some Taco Bell for me and the girlfriend. It's gonna be so good, so yummy, yum, yum, yum. Yummy! I'm gonna get a well-done steak quesadilla, a well-done chicken quesadilla, a cheesy gordita crunch, fiesta potato, Pablo, and flour sauce. And then that. Yep, that's it.
Sorry, 1912.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, 1912.
You're good.
Yeah, how you doing? 1912.
I don't know if anyone else does this, but do you ever poke and check instead of, you know, seeing at the window? Like, I always go poke and see if everything's actually in there, which it is. And yeah, do you just poke and, you know, go through the bag, as you would say? Woo! How's it going, everybody? It's my birthday today, but we're doing it a little bit different. It's also the 4-year anniversary of me and my girlfriend being together, so we're celebrating that today, and then on Saturday we're doing a seafood boil and homemade apple pie for my other birthday. But it just kind of works out better that way. But today we're going to the Cheesecake Factory and got the little kind of gift all wrapped up and whatnot. And it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a really splendid, fun time. And 4 years together. It's amazing. I love her so very much. And yeah. I've also been getting my freebies. That video will already be out in YouTube Shorts, so definitely go check that out. So that's what I've been doing majority of the day, and it's been really good. Yep. These are items that I got my girlfriend for the anniversary, just for a better view. We usually celebrate my our anniversary on the 9th, but because this is a little bit different, it worked out better because we met actually on my birthday, or it became official on my birthday. But it's just, you know, special, and it's always fun doing these, and you know, just some good little gifts, some little extra. But yeah, enjoy the video, and see you on the other side.
Look at my flowers. I need to find a little vase for them now. And you built them for me. Thank you. Oh. Oh, I'm wearing these today. Oh, puppy. I love them. Thank you. You know how much I love hearts. And I love, they're perfect. They're my 2 favorite shades of pink. Got me another one.
Yeah, it's different from the one you have.
Look at my Furbies. Oh my god, it's this outfit. I'm so happy. I'm so fucking happy.
Alright, that's all.
Oh my god. I'm so friggin' happy. I get another feeling. I got one of these done! Because I have so many feelings.
What? It works.
Right? Don't they look so good?
Yes. Just like you.
Thank you. Oh, that looks so good. Oh.
Good.
Look how tiny that is.
Have at it.
Huh?
Have at it.
Listen, I know what.
I'm got a few minutes before I go to work, but I noticed these clouds, really unique kind of clouds. I know it's clouds, but that is something else. I know it's literally about to rain over there, so also someone left the car there. How rude. But no, I noticed that cloud over there while driving. Like, that's a really unique style. It's very unique. I'm gonna get back in my car because I I'm going into work, and this is the abandoned road right there. It's not even through. I know it's random. Definitely gonna rain. Blue clouds and meat decals. Okay, let's go. I'm pretty sure that's a tornado. I really hope it's not a tornado. Oh gosh. All right. Anywho, bye. He said he was gonna do like a 5K. I don't know. Probably just there.
Pick something.
Just make sure you sit on the right side. You're on, so you're not in the sun.
Facing the sun. Yep. Yeah, thank you. I'm savoring. Alright, now. They don't have their own ideas. Yeah, they will. Last time I saw it was she.
I wear them to work
No.
because they have a logo on them.
Yeah. Yep. That's a high praise. I know. Yep. I agree. See that spoon right there. Yeah. Alright, what music are you listening to?
First, we have to sing.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ben. Happy birthday to you.
Yay. And this time I got on film.
And we didn't charge you for that.